Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore reshape changes in a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture. After that, press on reshape, and here you can do many reshaping um, options, basically, like you can maybe reshape a picture, you can swell a picture if you want to, you can twirl it, for example, and you might want to restore basically any of these changes. Maybe you didn't like them, and you can just simply manage here the size of the brush. Let's see, like this, for example, and with your finger you can just simply restore any changes that you have made with the other reshape options like swell, twirl and reshape, and you can see that your picture is going to be clear once again. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.